What's up, guys? Now that we got our coffee made using my favorite mug, my Highland mug, I'll be shooting a video tomorrow at Highland Bike Park. But today we are going to continue working on these skateboards and getting them ready to sell at the Lynch Skatepark in Boston, Mass. So these are the skateboards that we have done so far with some grip art as well. Gonna work on doing another blank, doing some drawing on it. Add it to the stack. What's up, guys? Getting ready to head to the skate park. We got all the boards. Got 3 blanks, some camera gear, some grip tape, and a sign. Gonna set up a chair and hopefully flip all these. Here goes nothing. Got the car all loaded up. Some grip. Sign. Time to hit the road. Full tank of gas. Let's listen to some tunes and make our way to Boston. Let's go. We made it to Lynch Skatepark in Boston. We got the board set up. Oh, we got Sam right here. We got some live music. I'll watch my chair. What's up, guys? Things ended up getting a little crazy there towards the end. Got plenty of footage of the concert and of the board sales. Definitely gonna make this video, edit it up tonight. Glad I did it. Had tons of fun. Next time, peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe. TurboTrixson out. Peace.